To begin replacing your Ford C-Max key fob battery for 2013-2018 models, first identify the key fob. Next, locate the small notch or release button, usually found on the side or back of the fob. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a similar thin tool to gently pry the fob open. Insert the screwdriver tip at the notch and gently pry the fob open. If there's a release button, press it while prying. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. The fob will split into two halves, exposing the internal components and battery compartment. With the fob open, carefully remove the old battery. Note the battery type. Most Ford C-Max key fobs use a CR2032 battery. Ensure you replace it with the same type. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up, matching the markings in the battery compartment. Once the new battery is in place, align the two halves of the key fob and gently snap them back together. Ensure the case is securely closed. Test the key fob to ensure it's working correctly by pressing the buttons and verifying the vehicle responds.